sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan.
Unified 911, anong matutulong namin sa'yo?
Anya ti maitulong mi ken kahapon.
Anong may tatabang ko sa imo?
Unsay akong ikatabang nimo?
Ngini makadabang na misel ka no?
Sa anumang wika o dialekto, may tulong na darating sa iyo.
Ayan, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Welcome po sa ating Pika G Online Awitan. Makakasama niyo po kami, kami po mga Pika G artist ngayong umaga sa loob ng 1 oras. Dito lamang po yan sa Police News Network. 11 a.m. po hanggang 12:30 po kami ngayong umaga po. So, sana po i-share po natin ito para mas marami pa po ang mas makapanood at makaranas ng makapakinig ng mga magagandang awitin ngayong umaga. So ilang araw na lamang po ay magpapasko na. So binabati ko po ang ating 51,000 viewers. So kaya pa po nating patasin ito. Alam ko pong kayang-kaya pa po natin ito. So yan, so hahandugan po namin kayo ng mga pamaskong kanta ngayong umaga at ilang mga masasayang awitin po para po sa ating lahat ngayon. Sa mga ating mga manonood. Ayan, sa mga bumabiyahe po ngayon, ingat po tayo. Sa mga nasa trabaho po, malapit na po ang lunch break natin. Maganda po itong sabayan ng mga pakikinig ng mga magagandang awitin. Ayan, si Sir Semper Fidel, Sir, the best. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyo kay Bamboo Pilar, Sir. Magandang umaga rin po sa inyo, Sir. Ayan, so next song po tayo.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy born and raised in South Detroit. She took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share tonight. It goes on and on and on and on. And strangers waiting up and down the boulevard as shadows
096
searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my feel. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. On the movies they never end. It goes on and on and on and on. And strangers waiting up and down the boulevard as shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Hey. Don't stop believing.
Ayan, so that was Don't Stop Believing by the band Journey. And kung meron po kayong mga requested songs, ma'ams and sirs, pwede nyo pong i-comment dito po. Susubukan po namin kantahin as long as alam po namin yung kanta. Ayan, so hindi ko alam sir eh. Tapos, ayan, shoutout po sa Ginobatan MPS. Ayan, nanonood po sila ma'ams and sirs dyan sa Ginobatan MPS. Ayan. Shoutout po sa inyo mga moms and sirs. Ingat po tayo palagi, lalong-lalo na po itong holiday season. So, kapag holiday po, ang ating mga kapulisan ay mas busy po yan. So, ingat po tayo sa mga kabaro po namin, kasama po namin sa uniform service, sa ating AFP, PNP, Bureau of Fire, lahat po yan naka-alert tuwing holiday season. So, para po sa inyo yan. So, shoutout po sa lahat. Mag-ingat po tayo, lalo-lalo na po hanggang sa darating na New Year. Mag-ingat po tayo sa paggamit ng paputok. Alam ko sa ibang mga lugar, pinagbabawal na po yan. So sana sa buong Pilipinas ipagbawal na rin yon para maiwasan yung 10 mga daliri magkulang ng 1 or 2. Ayan, di ba? Shout out po kay Ive GSD. Pa-shoutout po sir kay Gisado ito. Si Patrolman Gisado. Hello sir. Magandang umaga po sa iyo. And kung meron po kayong mga requested song na kaya po namin kantahin, kakantahin po namin yan para sa inyo. So, next song po tayo.
Unified 911, anong matutulong namin sa'yo?
Anya ti maitulong mi ken kahapon.
Anong may tatabang ko sa imo? Unsay akong ikatabang nimo?
Ngini makadabang nami sel kano.
Sa anumang wika o dialekto, may tulong na darating sa iyo.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I could go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my faith. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. In 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. And I won't look back. I could go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept it. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance, and my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part. For a search the world, I will face its harms, till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms. Yan, that was Go the Distance by Michael Bolton. So napakaganda po ng awit na yan. Classic song po yan pero napakaganda. Pagbati po kay Sir Nok Nok, bassist ng Rizal PPO. Kay Sir John De La Cruz. Ayan. So nandito si Sir Nok Nok. Yatpu. Yatpu siya. So ayan. Watching from QC kay Angel Teng. At sa aking may bahay, sa aking mahal na asawa, nanonood po siya ngayon. Ayan, habang nasa work po siya, pinanonood po niya ang online awitan. Very supportive po yan. Hi, mahal Eliza Frio Wildman. So tinatawagan na po natin yung ating next na kakanta dito. Ang ating susunod na Pika G artist na magpapamalas ng kanyang napakagandang boses at talento. Ayun. Si Jade Mariel Kilang.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Kantahan at kwentuhan, mapagugad sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, Pika G online awitan. Mapagugad sa daan, hatid ng
I remember all of the things that I thought I wanted to be. So desperate to find a way out of my world and finally breathe. Right before my eyes I saw my heart, it came to life. This ain't easy, it's not meant to be. Every story has its scars, but when the pain cuts you deep, when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see that I will be your remedy. When the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool, I promise you will see that I will be your remedy. No river's too wide or too deep for me to swim to you. Come whatever, I'll be the shelter that won't let the rain come true. Your love, it is my truth, and I will always love you. Love you. But when the pain cuts you deep, when the night I'm sleeping. Just look and you will see that I will be when the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool. I promise you will see that I will be your remedy.
And that was Remedy by Adele. So, binabati ko po, babati po ako sa mga nanonood po sa ating online viewer ngayon. Yan, greetings from South Korea, from Sir Trumata. Yan, sir, enjoy. Ingat po kayo dyan and see you soon po pagbalik. Yan. And ito, shoutout po kay Melo Evara, kay Sam Daka, kay Sir Edwin, kay Sir Manny Parazo, shoutout po sa'yo, sir. Yan, watching from Rapu-Rapu, MPS, Albay, PO, yan. Shoutout po, yan, kay Sir Zin Musin, yan, Lodi talaga, singer ng Pika G. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo, and eto na po, next song po tayo agad, medley po siya. Dadalhin Pangako at Tuwing Umuulan.
Dadalhin
bigay din nais makapiling sinta. Di mo papansin ako sa'yo'y may pagtingin. Sana ang tinig ko'y iyong dinggin. Ako ngayon hindi mapalagay, pagkat ang puso ko'y nalulumbay. Sana ay pagkaingatan mo ito at tandaan mo ang isang pangako. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako, di ko pababayaan. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon tayong dalawa. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako, di ko pababayaan. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon tayong dalawa. Ang magkasama. Pagmasdan ng ulan, unti-unting pumapatak sa mga halaman at mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ng dilim, unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay ng hangin kumakanta. Maaari bang huwag ka na sa piling ko'y lumisan pa, hanggat ang hangin tulay tumila na. Buhos na ulan, aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyap. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, la 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 la. Maaari bang huwag ka nang sa piling ko'y lumisan pa, hanggat ang hangin ulay tumila na. Buhos ng ulan, aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyap. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. maraming salamat sa pakikinig. And shoutout po sa ating 68,000 viewers, live na nanonood po. Pa-like, comment, and share po ng ating Pika G Online Awitan ngayon para po marami pong maabot ang ating programa. Ayan. So, shoutout po natin si Sir Den Alizen Ali Down. Yan. Shoutout po sa iyo, Sir. Happy watching. Ayan. Kay Sir Josh Jimenez. Kay Sir Roy Dan. Ayan. And shoutout po sa Aviation Security Unit 5, Naga Police Station na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating programa. Maraming salamat po, moms and sirs. Gayon din po sa Aviation Security Unit 8. Shoutout din po sa inyo, moms and sirs. Ayan. At sa iba pong nanonood at nagko-comment, maraming salamat. Ayan. Hindi ko na po patatagalin ang ating online awitan. Yan, itinatawagan ko po ang another artist, Pat Resley Umalay, ayan, ng ICDD.
Mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, Pika G Online Awitan.
Hello. Konting ikaw na sir. Okay na, sir. Okay na. Diyan ako.
Kantahan at kwentuhan, mapagugod sa
Sa unang tingin agad nang naumaling sa nanininig buong mga mata, ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Hindi ko mawaring tagal ay mong tinatanging sadya naman nakakabiganin, di may paliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay para luman, ika'y aking natatalhin sa di mo'y nasa paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ang kundi magsasawa, di ka papabayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Mga gunita na laging naisip, sumisilip ang itinagda ng may wagas. Liwanag ng dulot mo nagbigay sinag sa madilim kong mundo. Ibang iba ako kapag ikaw na ang kapiling, sumisibing ang uwan at mga bituin na lagi nang sumasang-ayon sa ating kalawakan. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya
palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa, di ka papabayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Himig ng tadhanay sa atin ay tumutugmana. Himig ng tadhanay sa atin ay tumutugmana. Himig ng tadhanay sa atin ay tumutugmana. Para luman, ika'y akin na dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Palagi kita awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa, di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang mamahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Was from Paraluman from Adi. At binabati ko nga pala yung pamilya ko dyan sa Mindanao. Hello, mayong udto sa inyo ang tanan dyan. Sa akong mama ug papa dira, shout out dyan. At sa mga classmate ko, Bagsik Liab, hello, kumusta kayo? At dako na naman tayo sa sunod nating kanta. To myself and feeling numb. Sometimes I like to quit, nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong, I feel like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. But it seems I'd always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is gone and gone before. No need to took it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. But it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to check it out. We know what it's all about. Nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Yan, thank you so much po. And natatawagin ko po ulit si Sir Wildman, sir, para sa duet po namin, at magduduet po kami ngayon. As requested po.
Mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan. Mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan.
At hello po, at thank you so much po sa magre-request ng kantang to, Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. At shoutout din po kay Ma'am Luis Hussein Alba Lopez, ang Miss Asia Pacific All Nation 2022. At siya po yung nag-request nito. Para po sa'yo to, ma'am. Thank you so much po sa pag-request.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. This love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Them say we're crazy, and don't give a damn. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build a street together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad that time. Whatever it takes, that's what I'm gonna do.
Let's say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your hands around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build a dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
All that I need is you.
And all that I ever need,
And all that I want to do is hold you forever, forever and ever. Shoutout po kay Sir Joshua Jimenez na nag-comment, ang galing daw. Shoutout kung nasaan ka man.
we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. Alright, that was Nothing's Gonna Stop Us. Stop that. Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. Requested song po yan. So abangan po natin yung ating susunod na awit dito po sa Pika G Online Awitan. Baka may gusto ka pang batiin. Parang tumangkad ka.
Kaya nga, pinagpala tayo ngayon eh. At tatawagin ko ulit yung
Chief Clerk ng ICDD. Ayan, ang pinakaabangan ng lahat. Si Police Executive Master Sergeant Robles, sir. Ayan. So, next singer po natin si sir. May mga ilang awit po siya na pinaghandaan para sa atin. Magandang umaga po. Ito po tayo. Abangan po natin.
Mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, Pika G Online Awitan.
You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes, I could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's just a long way down.
hard to let someone inside. In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try. If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'll be a fool to let you go.
You're the best thing in my life, but I know I gotta take it slow. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you close. Feel you, girl, in my arms always. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I breathe for, and there's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. want you always by my side, now and for always. Whisper these words to me, that we will always be together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through. Every moment loving you, all my love, my heart, my soul, my life, everything that I am.
Mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan.
Sound.
Mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan.
Ayan, isang magandang umaga, ay hapon na po pala. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ayan, bago po ako dumako sa aking first song. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pag-antabay po ng ating online awitan. Ayan, syempre, binabati ko po pala ng magandang hapon ng aking family dyan sa Bicol. At happy birthday po sa aking lola ay Mama Alice. At syempre sa aking kapatid na nakapasa sa nursing licensure examination. Ayan, congratulations sa aking bunsong kapatid. At sa lahat po ng mga bagong registered nurse ngayong taon. Ayan, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Ayan.
I'm made up my mind, don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no further, this ain't lost. I
chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere. I'll build myself up and fly around in circles, waiting as my heart drops and my back begins to tingle finally. Could this be it? Or should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Oh, it'd be a waste, even if I knew my place. Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep on chasing pavements? Should I just keep on chasing pavements? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere?
Ayan, so we are down po to our last song. Ito po ay requested ni Mate of Shadow.
Umiiyak ka na naman, langya talaga, wala ka bang ibang alam? Namumugtong mga mata, kailan pa ba kaya ikaw magsasawa sa problema na iyong pinapasan? Sa'yo ng boyfriend mo, hindi mo maintindihan. May kwento kang pang-drama na naman, parang pang TV na walang katapusan. Hanggang kailan ka ba ganyan? Hindi mo ba alam na walang pupuntahan ang pagtiyaga mo dyan sa boyfriend mo tanga? Na wala nang ginawa kundi ang paluhain ka sa libo-libong pagkakataon na tayo'y magkasama. Iilang uli pa lang kitang nakitang masaya napapansin. Akala mo'y nakikinig, di rin naman tatanggapin. Ayoko nang isipin pa. Di ko alam ba't di mo makayanan na iwanan siya. Ang dami-dami naman diyang iba. Huwag kang mangangambang wala ka nang ibang makita na lalaki na magmamahal sa'yo. At hindi niya sasayangin ang pag-ibig mo. Sa libo-libong pagkakataon na tayo'y magkasama, iilang uli pa lang kitang nakitang masaya. Naiinis akong isipin niya ginaganian ka niya. Siguro ay hindi niya lang alam ang iyong tunay na halaga. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating online awitan ngayong araw na ito. Muli po, kami po ang Pika G Artist at kami ang at dahil sa bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Mapagugad sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan.